Have you ever felt tiny rhythmic jumps inside your belly during pregnancy? Your baby might be having hiccups. Baby hiccups happen when the baby's diaphragm, the muscle used for breathing, makes small, involuntary movements. Even though your baby isn't breathing air yet, they are practicing breathing movements inside the womb. These little jerks can feel like regular tapping or repeated pulses in one area of your belly. Many babies get hiccups during the second and third trimesters. Most of the time, hiccups are completely normal and are considered part of your baby's development. They show that your baby's nervous system and breathing muscles are developing. So the next time you feel those tiny rhythmic movements, it may be your baby practicing for life outside the womb. Follow Madai Hub for fascinating pregnancy facts and the future of healthcare.